Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to install HouzFix, the plumber and demand service WordPress theme. So let's quickly, this theme costs $59, and if you want to get this link, I'd recommend you use the link in the description to go ahead and purchase this theme. I'd appreciate it if you use it. I get affiliate bonus, and this encouraged me to do this more of this kind of video. So let me quickly walk you through what this particular theme looks like, and let's quickly take a dive in and review it. So this is the demo website, where I get to pick the demo and get to see the actual website itself. You can see there are lots of demo that comes with it. It has about 6 demos that covers a default theme, a handyman theme, i.e. A handyman plumber, and then it has a shop section, and then we have another one that has to do with maintenance services. We have another one that has to do with installation services. We have another with general services, i.e. if you have other services that you do, and then we have another one that has to do with house repairs. This HouzFix has all these demos that you can install and utilize to do and craft a repair or handyman or plumber website for yourself. Let's say you are a plumber. This is a good thing for you to use to build a website for yourself and start getting quotes from clients and fixing stuff for your client as well, managing your client. So look at the theme here. It's very nice, blue, and left to me, I feel it's very sleek as well. So you can see you can get a quote from your client. Your client can come to this website and get a quote. They contact you, and then they input their name, and you get an email, and then you can reach out to them directly. It also has a blog section where you can use for SEO. It has a booking system as well, where people can reserve for services that you offer, i.e. the installation, whatever one it is. You can also select the staff you want to work with amongst your staffs, and yeah, pretty cool. Then the home section, we have the different installation service and all of that there. You have the about us section to discuss about your business and all of that. Template, a deserving template for you to edit, and yeah, it's cool, practically cool. I love it. It's nice and sleek and cool. Yeah. So this is the home page. You can see that's carpentry, electricians, plumbers, gardeners, whatever you want to see. They can book online. They can contact you as a professional. They can confirm your availability. Comes in different language as well. Forget the language that's in there. You can also be in English as well. And yeah, that pretty much covers everything. You get to see frequently asked questions as well, and you get to give them a subscription plan as well for yourself. So yeah, it's pretty cool. They get to see the plumbers, your professionals on your this thing. And also, if you are just someone interested in connecting craftsmen with clients, you can also develop this website for yourself, and then get clients to connect to handymans, plumbers, electricians, and all of that. It's a cool theme to have, either for plumbers, carpenters, or someone into the service business of connecting these handymans with clients. So let me quickly walk you through how to install this particular theme. First thing you want to do is go to the link in the description to go and to get you directly to this page and purchase this theme. And then after you purchase the theme, you get to see a document where you can download the theme, and then after you download it, you get to receive a file like this. If you want to be zipped file, then you unzip it. You go ahead and unzip it. So I have unzipped it, so you can extract to zip file. So this is the file name. So this is it here. That's the theme name. So this is the file here. So once you've opened the file, you go to the documentation to see how to install this particular theme. Left to me, I've not installed it before, so as a newbie, For someone who has not done WordPress before, this is something you can use to quickly install a WordPress theme like this. So I'll be going to visit the online documentation. This is the link to get to see the online documentation. I'll be following documentation and I'll be using that to install the theme. Please note, any theme that is WordPress theme usually has a documentation to guide you on how to install the particular theme. So I'll be following the instruction on the theme, and I'll be doing so, and I'll be implementing the changes on the website as well. So once you've done this, you've opened the documentation. The next thing you want to do is you want to buy an hosting service. So I'd recommend, there are two platforms I'd recommend. The link to purchase them is in the description. The first one is Azure Hosting. They charge you $1 per month for you to host your WordPress website. You can purchase the domain here as well, and then you can purchase your hosting service directly from here. The link is in the description. Or if you are Nigerian or probably in India, you can use tools.com.ng. Their rate is very affordable as well. For Nigerians, you get to pay 1,400 naira per month to buy an hosting cPanel service for you to host your WordPress website. Very cool, and their services fee are very low and relatively affordable, and their service is quite cool. Yeah, I use them a lot, and that is what I'll be using for this particular tutorial. So quickly, let's go to the installation. So I'm logged in and I'm about to go into my cPanel. So I go to my cPanel on my TrueHost platform. Once I'm in my TrueHost platform, since I'm going to be using a subdomain, for you to create a subdomain is quite simple. Just search for domain here. But for you that purchased hosting and domain, it will automatically connect it, and then you just have to skip this process. But if you want to host it on a subdomain, go to domain, and then you can create a subdomain. Let's go to create domain, and then you can input your subdomain here, and then you can create your subdomain. Uncheck this, show the details, and then you uncheck this, and then submit and create a subdomain, and voila, your subdomain is created. But for domain, it's automatically connected once you purchase it directly from truehost.com. The next thing afterwards, you go to your WordPress manager, and then you create your WordPress website. For you to create your website, it's very simple. You have to go to WordPress manager, and then you click install a fresh copy of WordPress website. Then you select the domain name that you create. Let's say I want to install it here, which I am not, I'm just saying it. I already installed mine. So you click WP test, delete this, and then you give your site a name, give it a description, you set your username and your password, you set your admin email as well, and you click install. Once you do that, it will load within I think minimum of 1 to 30 seconds to load up your WordPress website, and then you get to see your admin link. For you to get your admin link, you should, in case you skip it, just pick your domain and then slash it with WP admin. So let's say my domain name is this, and then you put WP/admin, and voila, it will take you to your admin panel. So you input your login details and your password for you to log in. So since I am already logged in, I already have my details here, what I will do is I will log in to my WordPress that I've already created. And straight to my dashboard. So once that is done, I think I have a particular theme here which I will be clearing out first. So I'll use WP reset to clear out my. So I'll go to plugins, go to add new plugins, and then search for WP reset. So what this does is it clears up any pre-existing theme or any post, or it will basically reset your WordPress website. So well, let's quickly install it. So while this load if you are following up on my video at the moment, you can go ahead and please go ahead and click the button subscribe on my channel to see more of this kind of video. I do script installation. I do everything around tech basically. So I've said what has to do with WordPress websites, mobile app development, and I and my team, we do everything around this. Please go ahead and subscribe, like and share, and also drop some comments in case you have any questions around the installation of this particular WordPress theme. And also don't forget to use the links in my bio to go ahead and purchase your hosting services, team and whatnot. I get some affiliate bonus from this, and this funds the and encourage me to do more of this kind of video. So I'd appreciate that. Thank you. So please, in case you are forgetting right now, go ahead, click the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you. So once that is installed, I go ahead and activate, and voila, it's active. So I go to tools. So first let me reload, it's not showing there. Normally it's on tools, and then you see the WP reset there, but since the prompt is here already, so I'll just say open WP reset tools. But normally it's always around there. So I close this. It's always here on the tools section. You can see it on tools, and you go to WP reset, you get to see, you click it, and I should show you this. It's for me to reset the website. I go to this site reset, and I click reset. I type reset there, just as it says on the placeholder. Type reset, see there, reset, and it says, do I want to reactivate my current theme? I said no, and check that. Reactivate WP reset plugin. Even the reset I wouldn't want to upgrade, but yeah, I can have it around. So I'm going to be using this to do more of this kind of theme installation. Activate all currently active themes now. So I click reset, and I say yes, and then you go ahead and reset the theme. So it says this is just no big deal, and then clear this up and put my admin, and voila, it's there. But then I don't want to go through the steps of inputting my admin panel, so I go back here, I click login straight up, and it takes me to the dashboard as usual. Now everything is cleared off, plugins are disabled, but then I don't like what I'm seeing here. I want to uninstall everything. I go ahead and leave WP reset. Let me delete it as well. So I clear it out, and yeah, everything is gone. I go to the appearance to check my themes, if there are any other themes there. Are supposed to be there, so I don't like seeing this here. Go ahead and delete it as well. So another theme I installed as well, so draw theme. So delete. Done. So I go to pages section, see if there's pages there that are not supposed to be. Everything is fine. Post, nothing there. And comments, nothing there. So everything is cleared up. So now let's install the fresh theme. So first I'd go to the documentation to see if there are any cPanel criteria that I need to clear up. So where is the documentation? I don't think I can find the link here. Yes, this is documentation. HouzFix theme we are installing. This is Handyman maintenance WordPress. Okay. So let's start requirement for the theme. Alright, you don't have to worry about this. Mostly this stuff comes with your WordPress websites. It's a basically configuration on it. But see, let me confirm. So I go to my cPanel to confirm this. So I go to PHP, so multi PHP INI editor. And I check to confirm those requirements. So max execution time is let's do this near to my WordPress website. See panel. So I select the website, which is WP test, and yeah, let's see the requirements. My 0 times 100 is 300, so let me change it to 600. Maximum it would be 5,000. Maximum would be 5,000, so I change this to 5,000. Memory limit 256. That's correct. Post max size 64M. So I change this to 64M, and then upload max size 128. Upload max size 128. So I did this to 128, and I click apply. Voila, it's updated. So next up, I'm going to go back home and go to installation. So how to install WordPress in cPanel. Okay, so it says first step, add the theme. I upload the theme file. So what this does, it says I should go to appearance, I go to theme section, I go to add new theme, I go to upload theme, I choose file. Start choosing file, I go to the UX file, search for the theme file. Most times is always this one. There's another zip file inside the file most times. Not the zip file you downloaded, but then the zip file inside the unzipped file. So you pick this, never pick the child theme, pick this and then you install now. So once the install is done, then we move to the next steps. So now it says activate theme. I click the activate theme, and then I click begin installing plugins, and I select all, install, and then this starts installing the plugins. So while this is ongoing, I'd like to say again, go ahead, use the link in the go ahead, like, share and subscribe. If you are loving what you are seeing so far, go ahead, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, it's very important. So this gets you a first-hand experience into more of this kind of WordPress installation I'll be doing in the future, and then you get to see more of this. So please go ahead, like and share and subscribe, and then you get to see more of this kind of installation for other kind of solution I'll be working on. Thank you. And yeah, so we just wait a moment for this to quickly install. This might take a little bit, so let me pause the video here, and then while that is ongoing, go ahead, like, share and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe in the YouTube channel. Alright, so now the theme is completely installed. The next thing we want to do is we want to go back to our documentation to see the next steps. So once we've done the complete installation, let's go back to the home on the documentation. Let's see. Items are updating. So we want to upload. The do is we want to go back to our documentation to see the next steps. So once we've done the complete installation, let's go back to the home on the documentation. Let's see. Items are updating. So we want to upload the demo content. So we go to Unison, we go to backup demo content. Okay, so we go to Unison. And then so it says navigate to dashboard Unison. There you see available extensions for download. So now click backup and demo content download button. So we are here, so we are supposed to click and activate this backup and demo content, and then we activate it. Then afterwards we go to navigate to tools, demo content install. So we go back and then we navigate, so we reload. We go to tools, we go to demo content installed, and then we pick this content install that I want to do. Let's pick our default install. And then we install it. So now that's how we install it. So it's going to take a while to install. So let's pause the video and see how long it takes. I think it's almost complete. So while this is loading at the moment, please go ahead, like, share and subscribe for more of this kind of content. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more of this kind of content. And for you to get the theme, don't forget to use the link in the description to get the theme and begin utilizing this for your service provision business, either as an agency connecting service providers to clients, or as a service provider itself, or service provision company, Handyman, carpenters, plumbers and all of that. I think this is going to take a while, so let's pause the video and then continue once this is completed. So once that is done, you get to see your website immediately. You can see. So then the next thing is you want to update your WordPress database for the installation to be complete, and voila. So once the backup and the demo script has been installed, you get to see everything on the website. So for you to see your website, just go to this home icon at the top and then click visit style, and then you get to see what your website looks like. And then after this, you get to see the whole thing installed appropriately on your website. You get to see everything on your website exactly the way it is. So this is your website and everything is there. The next thing you want to do is now to customize. So for customization, it's going to be quite longer, but I won't be putting that in this video. And what I'll be saying is, in case you want a full customization of this particular thing, just go ahead, use the link in the description to hire me to do the customization for you if you want. But if you don't want, you can always go back to the documentation as I've shown you, and the instructions is here, straightforward and very pretty informative. Just click the home button here, and then you see how you can customize every part of the website to fit in particularly for yourself. So you have to get your content ready and start implementing. So you can start with the site general. So in the site header, you pick it, just follow the instructions. Quite straightforward and very straightforward for you to implement. Just follow the instruction and then you'll be able to implement changes on the website directly. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you'd like me to help you customize this particular theme to fit in for yourself, go ahead, send a DM using the IAME link in the bio, and then I can help you do this particular WordPress theme. I can have it installed for you and customize to your taste, change the logo, change the colors and all of that, and have it customized to your taste. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.